Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've built Cafe 42 and it's still in progress actually. It's half done, so just showing you the outskirts of it really. It's an extension to this second base I built and I've made it right over there. But today I thought I'd show you what's going on with the settlement so far. So let's go to the portal. Oops. Here you are. Okay. Go to the settlement. That's the one. There's been a number of things going on there actually, just to update you. There's two things I want to show today, and the underwater new quest that I have. I haven't a clue about this, so really I'm going to show a little bit of a clip of it and then try and get on to resolve it as well. Right, so we're back at the settlement. Keep you updated and posted about it. As you can see, it's expanded, and of course I keep using the fuel inverter, the harvester. I keep using it to make the gas. I actually think that it's going to come in handy for me making the underwater basement. Right, so let's see. The settlement administration terminal says view construction opportunity. I've had quite a few of these opportunities to do constructions. Now, one thing I remember about this settlement is that right at the beginning it said about the productivity being a major part of this settlement. So I know it says, so it says citizens have petitioned with blueprints for the development of a new insalubrious den. Data indicates 74% approval for this new construction. Now, having said that, I am going to approve of this construction, but you can deny it. It begins construction of an insalubrious den. 6% citizens will be happier, and minus 12,250 productivity. But you see, when I am going to prove it, and I'll show you why. So if we go back and view settlement status after that. If you remember at the bottom, I had such a big debt to clear off. So because I've done the productivity, and it's almost 3/4 all the way around, and the productivity a day has increased a lot since I first started here. Also the population has increased, and the happiness of the population has increased as well. So this is a settlement overview. There's also a maintenance cost, and of course the Centennial alert level, which has gone up I think to 28%. Now all of these were in red, which they're all coming back to this. I come back to this and I update it all the time. Whatever they need for construction, I supply the materials. Then it gives me the production rate of 21 per day of these GECNIPs, and also 21 production rate per day of these ion capacitors. So the value of them units increase as it goes. So I have made quite a lot of decisions doing this settlement as the overseer, and the status of it, as you can see, is quite good. Now this is my first settlement, so I have to admit I don't have another one yet, so I have no idea what it's like to have 2 or 3 under your belt. Right, so at least so we will go and have a look at, take my buggy with me. We need to just have a look if we need to add any more materials to any productivity that's been, any new posts that are being made, sorry. And we go all the way around. I do need to update my travel piece, travels, all these little gadgets that I've got to travel with, because they haven't got all the technology in there that I'd like them to have. But I just haven't had the chance. Here's one here. I haven't had the chance to go and actually get the salvage data in order to get them. So, construction terminal. Supply the materials, 160 pure fluorite, which I have on me anyway, so that's good. And then if you do that again, it will say remaining about 1 hour. And then obviously come back and it will ask you for a few more materials or not, and the construction should be ready. Okay, now I'm going to go and show you this new base. It's not underwater yet, but I'm hoping that I will be able to build one underwater. Okay, let's park him up. And I've called it I don't have a Scooby-Doo because I don't. I don't know what I'm doing with this. So we're just going to have to see where it goes from here. I actually picked up the quest and I've done one part of it, but I still need to get a lot of other things for it. So this is the temporary situation here. It's in Kochi 87J6, and this is just a temporary little little base I've made to greet people. Because a lot of players do come on other different people's bases to have a look at they've been doing stuff. Now I'm going to show you. So I built it here purposely because look, watch. We go down here. And this was the quest, which is incomplete at the moment. It did ask me if I liked this spaceship, whether or not I want it. I'll be honest, I don't like it. Don't like it. It looks too bulky, too heavy, and it's not as intricate as the one I've got. And it also has less technology. Although, having said that, it is a B class. I'll show you. It's a B class, and I'd have to, all of these slots here, I'd have to redo all the technology, and I don't have time to do that. So I have I've declined it. I don't want it. Now this is my nautical little tiny submarine. And I have to explore. Hang on, let's have a look at what it's telling me. It says the objective is explore the depths, test the Nautilon by exploring the deep, stay alert for signs of the stranger's expedition. So I'm on this quest here, and as soon as I go in, I'm inside. I can move it about like so, because I did put the fuel in there. You have to put fuel in there. But the problem is, now you can see what I mean. There's the fuel that I made. I don't have the technology. I don't have the living pearls. I don't have the solar mirror in order for the osmotic generator to work, which is a drive upgrade. And I haven't completed this. I need another one solar mirror, crystal sulfide, and I have the ferrite dust, which is okay. And this one here, which is really crucial to have, is my mining laser. And I don't have the living pearls again, or the chlorine, enough of it in order for it to be installed. Those are the 4 major ones that I really need. I can put the other ones in. Look, there are other ones to put in there. Look. But I don't have the technology. That's the thing. I don't have the materials, and I'm going to have to, I'm going to have to get some storm crystals. I can do the microprocessors. Actually, I can do them. Can I do them now? Can I do them now? How do you make them? One of those. Okay, I think I can make them now. Right. So, yeah. Okay, we can do that. So you see, as easy as that when you've got the technology there. Now these storm crystals, I showed you in the last video how I have to get them. So that's going to take some time to do that. The living pearls, I don't think I've showed you how I've got them. They're from these little clams that are right under the sea. So we're going to have to leave our little tiny submarine. Ta-ta. And go back. We go back towards... there, my base. And I'll try and see, I mean, I know there's none, well, there might be, let's have a look. I don't think there's, what's that? Submerged relic, armoured clam. Ah, well, there's one there, but it's too far. This is a bit closer, yes. Okay, we'll get one of those. Those are where you get the living pearls from. I'm surprised in this deep water actually that there's so less of them. I think in the base where we was, where I've made my new coffee shop, I think the water there has a lot of armoured clam. I'll have to go and get the pearls from there. So keep an eye on your oxygen. Here it is. This is it here. Now, in order for that, we don't mine this. We use the what were we? The ballcaster. That was it. So you shoot it, quickly pick it up because it closes really fast, and there you go. I've got one. I just got one after all that. So there's another one there. That's not too far, and that one, and that one. Okay. I don't know how to do this. Don't forget your oxygen though. If you want to, you can go up for a breather, or you know, just put the oxygen in like I do. And just put the oxygen in so it doesn't go down. You can get the battery and recharge it. So it's, no, it hasn't. Oh right, I do have to go up for oxygen. I thought that was outside of the oxygen. It doesn't. Surprisingly. No. Okay. Well, let's quickly do this one. Go up. Can just for some air. Oh, by the way, have you seen I modified again my backpack? I thought I'd look a bit more outlawish. Right, so okay, how many more of those do we need? There they are, there's 3 there. How many do we need? Right, so there's 2 there, and we need, oh my gosh, we need 10. At least 10. Oh, well, I don't know if we're going to find all 10 here. Can have a go. There was another one there as well. Why do they give them so obnoxious names? I don't know. Right, they're called, oh, that looks like a bit like a piranha.